Yes, we do. Most definitely in this house. Well, here we are, 3 weeks after knee injury, gonna go back out, off up to Cheddar. This is the house that runs on rap. This house is all about men, boys and their toys. Basically this house, we're into doing motocross and we like carp fishing. We like to get out there with the wilderness. If you notice, each sport is you get dirty, it's out there in the rough. Got our own little garage going on where we carry out some training. Various stuff down there. We've got the tools, we've got the ramp, we've got the bikes, everything to keep a lad happy. So yeah, even got a spotlight just in case it gets dark. This is our power wash area. Barbecues there just in case we're all hungry when we get back. We have a big barbecue. We've got rid of the pool because summer's gone, but we did have a big heated pool here which we bring out in summer. So yeah guys, is this the dream? Is this living the dream? May not be factory riders, but we get to go riding every week, we get to go fishing and we earn some money.